Hi, hello. Hi, hello. How are you? See, today we are going to see about national birds of India. How many national birds of India we have? We have nine national birds of India. And what are they? We will see. Golden eagle. In which place we see? Afghanistan. Jungle fowl. We see in which place? Sri Lanka. Mostly we will see in Sri Lanka. Himalayan monal we see in Nepal. Common raven, Bhutan. Red crowned crane, we see that bird is in China. Burmese peacock, Myanmar. Chukar partridge, we see in Pakistan. Magpie robin, we see in Bangladesh. White breasted water hen, Malwadis, we see in Malwadis. See, we see how many different types of national birds we see in India. Okay, thank you. In different countries we see. Okay, thank you.